Hello and welcome back to my channel. And yes, it's me, and I'm back with another Amazon haul. Some of you may be saying, oh, that's all she does is shop on Amazon, which is kind of true, but I have really bad knees and I need to have knee replacements in both of my knees. So I am struggling to walk, and so I cannot walk into stores, browse, shop, anything like that. If I go into a store, it's only for less than 5 minutes, and I have to go straight in and get what I'm getting and then get out. And usually they don't even have like a um, automatic wheelchair so that I can zip around and do my shopping. So I have to use Amazon, or I would never get to shop. And so I needed some primer, and of course I went shopping on Amazon because I cannot go inside. And this is Timeless Smoothing Primer by Tarte. Looks like this. I've heard great things about this, so I picked up some. I think it was $39. So, but I love a good primer. I think that's what makes your makeup look so good all day long. And so I picked that up. And then, because I can't walk right now, I also can't clean in my house. So I have a gal that comes and helps me out 4 days a week in the mornings. It was very hard for me to put my pride aside and allow them to send in someone to help me. But she wanted some gloves and a sponge, and so I picked these gloves up for her. Premium ultra thin household gloves, and I got her a medium. But what is so special about these is they're ultra thin, and they're like made with unlined PVC, and it's supposed to be like a second layer of skin. They're waterproof, oil resistant, grease resistant, stain and household detergents. Oh, and here's my favorite, anti-aging performance. And you're able to use your touch screen while wearing the gloves. And they're latex free. So, I'll show you what color these are. If I can get them out. I guess I have to cut it. Oh no, here it goes. No, definitely have to cut it. And I don't want to cut the gloves. The last pair of rubber gloves we had, McGregor tried to put them on, and yeah, he busted them all out. I don't know why I'm trying them on. It's not like I'm the one using them, but I would if I could. But yeah, I like these better than just the Rubbermaid gloves. So that's for my gal that comes to help me out. And then I have been doing a lot of research on some cleaning stuff. I love products that are easy to clean with and do the best job. And I don't know if you've heard about ecloth, but ecloth is environmentally friendly cloths, and you just have to add water to them. Now, I have a tendency to use detergent and all that still, but you don't have to, and they last forever, or at least that's what the reviews say. You don't have to use any chemicals if you don't want to. You just wet it, wring it, and wipe whatever needs cleaning. These are really good for sinks and pots and pans. They come with one scratchy side and one soft side. And then you just rinse it out and set it up on your little sponge dryer. And then each week you wash it in hot water with a small amount of detergent. No bleach, no fabric softener, no dryer sheets, and then you just hang it up to dry. And they last forever. And they call them just a washing up pad. So it comes 2 in the package. I think they were like $10 or $12. And so I picked those up. And then I picked up the Save Now, Spend Later Happy Planner sticker book for budgeting. I will do a flip through of this, but I really like these muted colors of this one. So, and I needed another budget one. So I picked that up. And then this was recommended on another gal's site. I watched her stationery haul. I cannot remember her channel, but she didn't talk on her channel. She just showed her stationery. And this was one of the things that she showed. I don't see a place to open it. And it's called MR2. It's from Japan, and it is a whiteout pen. And then it comes with 3 refills. And I like a whiteout pen that's not going to get all tangled and such. You just flip this down and then use your whiteout. So I thought I would try it. And then, like I said, it comes with 3 refills, so that'll be nice too. So I picked that up, and then it looks like they give you it says Mermaid Collection. Please leave a review. And it is just some yellow sticky notes. So those were free. And then, because I'm pen crazy, she also showed these on her page. And these are called Zebra Sarasa Mark On in 0.5. And you get 6 pens. I think they were about $13 or $14. I will have all of this stuff linked in the description. But I wanted to try one because I don't want a pen that, I like a nice fine point pen, but I don't want one that smears. So Zebra Sarasa Mark On. No smearing. At all. So it instantly dries. That's exactly what I wanted. So you get 6 in the pack, and I think they were $13 or $14. So yeah, I needed some new pens. No, I didn't need them. I wanted them. But this is my Amazon haul. And I have a couple more purchases coming, so, you know, just as I need things, I just go on Amazon and get them, because I cannot shop in the store. So I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video and a flip through of the Save Now, Spend Later Happy Planner sticker book. Everyone have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.